Hello world. So this is my video game that I made for CSCB58 Pandemic Edition, and I'll get started with showing you the basic movement. So we have our ship here, and I can't go all the way up. I cannot go off the screen to the right. Going off the screen at the bottom doesn't work, and then going off the screen to the left does not work. Now in terms of collision detection, we have these blue shields around the ship, and then whenever we hit an asteroid, so I'm going to try to let one hit me, you can see that we lose the shields. So now when I have no shields, if an asteroid hits me, then we lose the game and we go to the end game screen. So again, we can restart by hitting P, and so far we've seen like the basic functionality, and now in terms of extra functionality, one cool thing is that we can shoot pink lasers one at a time, because more than that would be very overpowered. And then and then we have pickups. So there's these red pickups, and the red pickup is kind of like a bad pickup. It actually makes you lose all of your shields. So I'll pick it up right away, and it makes me lose all of my shields. So this de-incentivizes staying near the safe part of the screen. And then at the end over here, we have a good pickup, which is that white pinkish one, which gives you extra shields once you've lost them so that you can stay alive for longer. So that's 2 of the 3 milestones I implemented. So we did pink lasers and good and bad pickups. And then the third thing I did was, as you can see, I implemented like very smooth graphics. So I did that by making sure that I was only ever drawing exactly what I needed to. So for example, when these green asteroids are moving towards the ship, I'm actually only drawing 2 new green squares, and I'm erasing 2 black green squares, because one column of squares kind of stays constant every loop. So that was one thing that even when for example I'm moving the player ship, I have separate functions that draw it when it moves right, left, up, or down, to make sure that I'm only ever drawing or erasing exactly the squares that I need. So yeah, that was this was my video game. The funnest part was anything to do with collision detection was very fun to implement. Especially the pink lasers was pretty cool to implement. And yeah, it was a fun project and an awesome semester. Thanks for watching.